It's doing a good job. Yeah, it smells like a medicine. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty box of June. This time we don't have a box, we have a makeup bag. I'm very curious to see how it looks. So with this box we have 6 products and the theme for this one is staycation and pampering yourself. I think we had the same theme 2 boxes before, am I right? At the end of this video we're going to calculate the overall value of all the products to see if it is more than 20 euros. Most of the times it is. The problem is that we get mini products. If you want to see more unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have a favorite subscription box so maybe I can find it and try it on my channel. So let's open the box and see what we have. Ooh, all the products are in the makeup bag. Gorgeous! It smells a little bit, it's okay. The beauty bag is super pretty and let's open this. So we have a card here. It says, to our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form. Don't worry, we will bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have a link for you to click through and read the magazine online. I think I didn't get an email, so that means I will need to search for all of the products. And the first product is this one here. It looks like an egg, but on the other side it is a brush. I wish that the card had at least the name of the products so I could find them easier. Okay, so this brand has a lot of products like gloves, I think for exfoliation. I'm going on the blog and let's see if we have a post about the beauty box. So this is the Rainbow Drop Brush. It is by the brand Glove. This one is perfect to use on both wet and dry hair. And it is palm sized, as we can see, and it is great to fit in your handbag, used throughout the day to detangle your locks. Okay, you know something? Let's try it. So I'm always starting at the ends of my hair because my hair are very long. Okay, well, my hair were not very tangled. It's doing a good job. I think it's not very convenient to hold because we don't have a handle, but let me know in the comments if you have tried something similar from another brand. Ooh, after that we have this one here. Oh my god. And this is by the brand Molten Brown. It is a Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel. This is a bath and shower gel. Oh my god, guys. In one of the beauty advent calendars that I unboxed last year, I got one of the shower gels by Molten Brown and it smelled amazing. It was so nice on the skin. Oh my god, I poked my nose. It smells so nice. It reminds me of a perfume that my husband has. And of course this is a mini size. We have 100 milliliters, and the other time I also got the same quantity of product. I think I have used it 3 times. Maybe this one is bigger. I'm back! This is almost empty and it smells amazing. Oh my god, so good. And this one is a fiery pink pepper. Let's see if I have any information about this one. This luxurious body wash will leave your skin feeling fresh, pampered and smelling amazing. That's true, that's true. Uniquely and delicately scented with sea fennel and cypress, your body will feel nourished, moisturized and revitalized in equal measures. I believe them because I also liked this one here. I would like more quantity because this is not a lot. When you use products for your body or for hair, you need more product. This is a very expensive brand with shower gels. I think they also have some candles. Next we have something for the lips. This one has SPF 30, high protection, and it is a lip protection and care product with argan oil and shea butter. This one is by the brand Ultra Sun. professional protection. I have used one more time a product by this brand, and it was a day cream with SPF 30 again. It was a very nice product, lightweight on the skin. It wasn't very moisturizing for me because I have dry skin and it was winter, but I think for now it would be perfect for me. I really like that we got this product. We have 4.8 grams of product. This is made in Germany, so maybe this is a German brand. I don't know. With this one you can reduce inflammation and you can moisturize your lips. It is designed specifically to protect your pout from the elements. Which elements? Water, air and sun. So let's open this and see how it looks, if it has a scent. I don't want to ruin my nails. I did them yesterday. It is a new nail polish by Catrice. And I needed 3 coats because it's not a very opaque nail polish. So, ta-da! It doesn't have a scent. I'm very happy that we have it, and I can also wear it with my mask when I go out, especially in grocery stores or in general any store or even public transportation. You need to wear your mask. This is a full-size product. This is getting in my lip basket for every day. Moving on to this everything mask by the brand Josh Wood Color. And we have 30 milliliters of product. It says the color locking, multitasking, deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Okay, maybe I can use it also on me because my blonde is getting yellowy. Also, I don't know how to make it ashier. And you can apply this to damp washed hair, leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. Let's see if it has a scent. Yeah, it smells like a medicine, but it's not that bad. The original size for this product is 140 milliliters, so we have a sample here, and you can use this on every shade of hair. So maybe also on purple hair, blue, pink. This hair mask has been created to lock in color, add shine and deeply condition. It's the perfect does-it-all treatment. I really want to see if this is going to work for my hair because the ends are super dry. For a hair product, this is not a lot of quantity, especially for someone that has long hair like me. So I'm guessing I'm going to use this just once. Disappointed? And we also have a sheet mask. It says Aroma Blend Calming Mask. It has everlasting flower water, chamomile oil and neroli oil. I have never heard this product again. And this one is by the brand Shang Pri. And this is a spa care system. Okay, the packaging is super pretty. On the back of the packaging it says that you can have it on your face for about 10 to 20 minutes. It can soothe your skin, reveal a healthier and softer skin. It is made in Korea, so not everyone is gonna get this one here. Some people are going to have in their bag the Korean brand OK. Let's continue with a product by Polar. This is the sun lotion with very high protection. We have SPF 50. This one here can last up to 6 months. The full size for this one is 50 milliliters, so we don't even get half of it. We have 20 milliliters here. This lotion can help fight against sunburns and premature aging. It has an invisible formula. That's very important, especially when you want to apply makeup. Apply generously before exposure. It is fragrance and alcohol free for sensitive and sun intolerant skin. Most likely this is going to be okay for me because I have dry and sensitive skin. I have also tried the night cream by this brand. It had a very weird texture, very thick, but on the skin it was not heavy. It was weird and also not so moisturizing. Again, this is a very small amount of product. Maybe I can use it for a week. I don't know why, especially for the Lookfantastic beauty box, we always get samples and mini sizes for the products. I don't really get it. They have such a big variety of products on their website. I mean, what was the difference if we got the full size of this one or this one? Or this one. The total value of all the products is £60, which is more than 20 euros that I have paid. However, I don't like the mini size products that I got again in this beauty box. Some of you want to see the boxy charm on my channel, so I will try to find it. Maybe I can use a service to send it to me. Let me know in the comments if you like any of the products of this box, if you have a favorite. I think my favorite is this one here because it is a full size. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!